On the off chance that you're searching for Ethereum cost expectations figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Ethereum, ETH, will go from here on out. We will dissect the previous costs of Ethereum, ETH, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015, when digital forms of money were at their pinnacle. The development that was utilized to construct Bitcoin was accustomed to carry Ethereum into this present reality. Ethereum is absolutely programmable. This implies that you can assemble dApps, decentralized applications, with practically no hustle effectively on their organization. The elements of the application that is based on the organization are exceptionally cutting edge. All the organization gives you play with its developments access an exceptionally lovely way. And you can in a real sense do anything with the innovation. The pioneer behind ETH, Vitalik Buterin, delivered the white paper of the coin in 2013, preceding the coin's underlying coin presenting back in 2015. Ethereum establishment was likewise a drive of the organizers behind the Ethereum organization. However, the pioneers need to leave the organization, since it was reported as a philanthropic organization formally. The ICO was held in Florida, where the originators behind the ETH sold more than $18 million worth of coins. The sum was planned to use in the advancement of the task. The coin needed to hang tight for a long to get itself on the board. The clients began to move the coins in 2015. The hard fork was one of the significant occasions held in ETH history. The hard fork update was proposed by the originators, since they figure it would keep programmers from getting into the ETH blocks. Ethereum, a support point in the market. Ethereum is a decentralized organization. The clients on the organization are called hubs, which are holding the organization's information on various servers. This makes the organization exceptionally secure from malware assaults. This is the principal contrast among Bitcoin and Ethereum, as the two organizations are putting away information in a totally different ways. The exchanges on the organization are altogether open to the next network clients. Whole blocks are shared by diggers on the organization, so different clients can see what is at or erased from the organization. Ethereum past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Ethereum is $1,936.44. And ETH is at present positioned number 2 in the whole crypto biological system. The course supply of Ethereum is 120,201,621 with a market cap of $232,763,562,030. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 2.98% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the ETH was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.05%. Ethereum has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH diminished by 2.311%. Killing an incredible normal amount of $45.82 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase and open door for fast venture. The 90 days cost change is around 18.80%, and the cost coursed from a base typical cost of $1,558.63 to most extreme normal cost of $1,606.66 in the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months, Ethereum has shown a developing pattern. In this way, we believe that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost. The coin is up by 34.73%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $1,205.31, and the base typical value of was around $1,186.42 in beyond 4 months. We foresee future Ethereum cost expectations at figure by applying profound computerized reasoning, help specialized investigation on the past value information of Ethereum. We give our all to gather most extreme verifiable information for the ETH coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Ethereum market cap, Ethereum volume, and barely anymore. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least worth of $2,203.10 in 2023. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $2,464.29, with the typical exchanging cost of $2,277.97, all through 2023. Ethereum Value Expectation 2024. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at least degree of $3,154.58. The ETH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $3,855.47, with the typical exchanging cost of $3,245.70. ETH value figure for 2025, as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ETH in 2025. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $4,600.07. The ETH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $5,391.06, with the typical exchanging cost of $4,762.35. Ethereum, ETH value forecast 2026. The cost of Ethereum is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $6,933.55 in 2026. The Ethereum cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $7,939.61, with the typical exchanging cost of $7,124.05, all through 2026. Ethereum Value Expectation 2027. The cost of 1 Ethereum is supposed to reach at any rate level of $9,967.96 in 2027. The ETH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $12,147.09, with the typical cost of $10,252.92 all through 2027. Ethereum Value Expectation 2028. Ethereum cost is estimated to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $14,975.16 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $17,009.83, with the typical gauge cost of $15,487.81. Ethereum